What if you could make a mobile app that could legitimately make $10,000 a month, and it took less time than brewing my morning coffee? I know that sounds absolutely insane, but I'm going to prove it to you right now. So, let's dive in. In the next 5 minutes, I am going to build 2 full-stack apps. Not prototypes, not mock-ups. Actual working software with databases, user authentication, and everything. Let's go. For creating the app, I will use the best no-code vibe coding platform called Emergent. You will get the link in the description. To get started, create an account. Once you are logged in, you will find a clean interface like this. No complex settings or configuration. We just have to ask what we need in this prompt box. Alright, first app. I'm going for an expense tracker SaaS. Here's my prompt, and I'm typing this live so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Build me an expense tracking app with categories, monthly reports, user authentication, and the ability to export data to CSV. Make it clean and professional looking. After entering the prompt, we need to do some small customization. If you already have a design, outline, or sample code, you can upload it here. I will go from scratch. So, I won't upload anything. Next, you can connect your GitHub repo with Emergent. This will help you to keep your work safe and increase your public appearance. After that, we have to set the model. Here, you will find 3 options. E1 for stable and thorough workflow. E1.1 for fast and flexible workflow. And in the end, the mobile. This is an agent to build mobile apps. I am selecting the mobile option. Next, we have to select the LLM. You can go with Claude or GPT. As Claude Sonnet is better at coding, I am selecting the Claude 4.0 Sonnet. Now come to the advanced control option from here. Here, we have to select the template first. I am selecting the full stack template from here. After selecting the template, select the budget. This is really amazing. You get a free hand to use your credits. I am setting it to 20 for a flexible result. Once everything is set, hit the send button from here. You can see that the AI has started its work. Now it is setting up a safe environment. You can see the progress. It will take around a minute to set the environment. Once the environment is ready, it will start to build the app we asked to build. You can see that it is asking some follow-up questions. It's really great. The AI is understanding the specific needs of the user. That will help to create a perfect app, not a random one. After answering the question, hit the send button. Now it will run all the process steps step by step. You can see the live preview here on the right side. It will take around 2 minutes to complete. So, I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is, our app is ready. Let me show you what we've got here. This is a fully functional expense tracking app. I can sign in with my Google account. Boom, I'm logged in. Look at this interface. It's actually beautiful. I can add expenses, categorize them, set up recurring expenses. Let me add a few real expenses here. I can see my spending by category, monthly trends, everything. And look, I can export all this data to CSV with one click. This is production-ready software, people. Here's the money angle. Apps like Expensify charge $29 per month per user. If I get just 100 small businesses using this, that's $35,000 annually. From something I built in 60 seconds. Okay, now let's create our second app. I'm going after the health and wellness market with an AI recipe generator. The food app market is worth $4.2 billion, so even capturing a tiny slice could be life-changing. After coming to the dashboard, I am entering my prompt. Create a recipe app that uses AI to generate healthy meals based on dietary restrictions and available ingredients. Include nutritional information, shopping lists, and meal planning features. And we're off. Look at Emergent working its magic again. It's integrating with AI APIs, setting up the recipe database, and building the user interface. This is honestly mind-blowing to watch. Done! Look at this beauty. I've got a full recipe app here. Let me test it out. I'm going to say I'm a vegetarian, I have chicken, broccoli, and rice available, and I want something under 500 calories. Boom. It just generated recipe options for me. Broccoli and rice stir-fry has complete nutritional information, step-by-step instructions, and estimated cooking time. The monetization potential here is insane. I could charge $9.99 per month for premium features, partner with grocery stores for affiliate commissions, or even sell sponsored recipe content. Food apps are sticky. Once people start meal planning with your app, they don't switch. Okay, look what we've accomplished. 2 fully functional apps, both running simultaneously, both ready for real users right now. This expense tracker could legitimately compete with apps that took teams of developers months to build. This recipe app has features that would normally require AI specialists, back-end developers, front-end designers, the whole 9 yards. I'm not affiliated with Emergent, but I believe in what they're building so much that I want you to experience it firsthand. Check out the link in the description. I've arranged for some free credits so you can build your first app without any risk. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of app creation with the help of AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.